my channel. I'm Debbie and you are watching Just Debbie Marie. So to keep in the Christmas themed videos that I've been doing, I decided to do a Would You Rather tag, but the Christmas edition. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. So before we get into the video, as usual, I want to remind you guys to subscribe. I realize that I have a few more subscribers and I'm very grateful for that. I'm thankful for the love and support that you guys have been showing me. Also, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you've been enjoying the videos. Please remember to go ahead and give my videos a like. Also, remember to check out the previous videos that I have on my channel. Remember, I told you guys that I've been doing Christmas themed videos, so if you want to see those videos, check them out on my channel. They will be always linked in the description box below. Also, remember to check out my other channel called Yardments. And if you're new to Just Debbie Marie, I usually ask you guys to leave an emoticon in the comments to let me know that you're watching. So this week, I want you guys to leave the Santa Claus emoticon in the comments to let me know that you are watching. Alright, so I was trying to decide what kind of video I wanted to do this week, and I was like, yo, I want to just continue on the Christmas, the holiday themed videos. So I actually did gift ideas for him and her previously, so I will link those in the cards for you guys so that you can check them out. So now I just decided that what would be a fun Christmassy way for you guys to kind of get to know a little bit about me and what I think about certain things. So I was very pleased to find that there's actually a Would You Rather tag that actually is Christmas themed. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know already that I'm going to enjoy answering these questions. And of course, you can answer along with me too. Let me know what you would rather do in the comments below also. So yeah, you guys can play along with me too. I have all of the questions on my phone. There are quite a number of them, but I don't think I'm going to answer every single one of them. So the first question is, would you rather have to eat a whole turkey in one sitting or never be able to eat turkey again? Now, I don't really fancy turkey. I mean, it's alright, you know, it can go on, but I feel like sometimes it can be a little bit dry, which is why maybe a lot of people eat it with like gravy or stuffing or stuff like that. But more don't want to eat that in a one sitting, because guess what, I know say my throat would have clog up, I know say my throat would have dry, I know say I have gas for ear, like me I have asthma through me I eat the turkey. So I mean, I think turkey can pass, like I not have to eat turkey in a one sitting. I would not want to do that at all, and I don't have to eat it for the rest of my life, so I mean, that's fine. Would you rather get the best gift you've ever received again, or a new gift but have no idea if it will be good or bad? So sometimes I like surprises, but more often than not, I do not really like surprises like that. Or maybe it's kind of 50-50. So I like surprises, but sometimes, depending on what the situation is, not necessarily. Or the kind of surprise, not necessarily. So, I mean, if I already like the gift, and it's the best one I've ever received, why not receive it again and again? I mean, okay, if it's like you're going to give me a car over and over, I mean, I can always sell a car and get the money from it if I wanted to, you know what I mean? Like, or I can have 2 and 3 and 5 car, I don't know. Would you rather spend the holidays with your family or with 3 celebrities? You can choose celebrities. Definitely family over celebrities, definitely, because I don't know celebrities, I don't know you from Adam. You can only portray what you want to on social media or in the public eye, and I don't really know how you stay. So definitely family is very important to me. That's just how I stay. I mean, celebrities can stay. I'm not a big celebrity people like that. I'm not really frightened over people like that. So I would definitely rather spend the holidays with my family every year. Would you rather be a kid or a grandparent during the holidays? I think I'd rather be a kid, because kids always get lots of gifts, and I don't know, as a kid you would always look forward to Christmas. I don't know, it always gives you some kind of, well, for me at least, I always felt excited about Christmas, like just excited about, you know, seeing my family and, you know, doing the different traditions that my family has. So yeah, I'm always excited about Christmas as a kid, but I feel like since I've gotten older, like, I don't know, the excitement kind of has lessened. Maybe when the time comes for me to have children, I'll get that kind of excitement again. You know, understand what I'm saying? I don't know if you understand. If you guys feel the same way, like as Christmas goes by each day, each year, I don't know if you guys maybe feel like, okay, it's less and less exciting. I mean, I still love Christmas still. Like, I really do like Christmas time. But I don't know if I'm as excited as I was when I was younger. So I'd rather be a kid. Next question is, would you rather get to invent a holiday on whatever day you want, or have a holiday fall on your birthday? I mean, if the holiday fall on my birthday, that means I would always be off because I wouldn't have to work. And that would be great. I could make use of that holiday, so I know that I can always plan to do something because I won't necessarily have to work. Or invent a holiday. Nah, I think I would prefer a holiday on my birthday. So whoever is out there, and if you're born on a holiday, you can leave that in the comments and let me know if you're born on a holiday and what your experience has been like over the years having your birthday on a holiday. Would you rather work on holidays, or, well, would you rather work only on holidays or only get holidays off work? Honestly, this kind of hard. I'm not lie, this kind of hard, because if you're only working on holidays, you're only working a few days for the year. But then like during the holiday time, whatever holiday it is, you always want to spend time with family and do things. And I feel like sometimes people kind of send a lot of events and stuff like that, things to do around the holidays. So then like you would miss out on that. Honestly, I think I would rather only work on holidays. Honestly, because I feel like I have so many other days to do whatever. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I think so. What do you think? I think I would rather work only on holidays. Yeah. Would you rather switch careers entirely or stay in your career field forever? Ha 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 ha. I mean, I don't know, this is kind of a hard question because I always see myself as somebody who always likes to evolve. Like, I love to learn new things. So even if I start out studying or doing one thing, I always feel like I don't mind learning. So if I go over into another field or whatever, like, I don't have a problem with that because I'm gaining more knowledge and more experience in a particular thing. I don't know. And I don't even know what to say, what kind of field I'm in currently. I don't even know what to say. I don't know, maybe I'd say stay in my career field, or maybe I'd say, I don't know. I don't know how to answer that one, guys. I think I would say I stay in my field forever. Because I mean, I'm not mad at where I am, the field that I'm in, but then I still want to learn and branch out and do different things. Even though my job kind of allows me to do that still. But I mean, yeah, I think I would probably stay in my career field forever. Would you rather wear a Santa outfit or an elf outfit to work every day for a month? No. I don't want to wear no Santa or elf. Elf outfit kind of cuter than Santa still. Elf outfit kind of cuter, and you can feel like you can, you know, you have more leeway with the elf costume. Santa is just the standard red and white robe, black boots, red pants and belt and beard. Like, you can't really do much really. Or maybe you can, I don't know. I think I'd do elf because I feel like I'd be able to, I don't know, work with it. I don't know. Would you rather work on untangling Christmas lights or work as a mall Santa? Girl is taking those untangling of those lights, because I don't want to cry pick up on me. I don't want to pick me and kick me and pick me a ball every day of life and having to see people and just droves and crowds of people for the entire time. Like, me somebody who, like, yeah, I like be around people sometimes, but other times I really just want to be by myself. Or sometimes I feel like if I'm around people for too long, like I need a little time for kind of just recoup and regroup. So being around people all day, every day, have to be smiling and all when them are looking at them, don't want to take the picture and them don't want to smile and them afraid of you and whatever. I don't think I'd want to be a mall Santa. Give me those lights any day. Would you rather give up Christmas trees or Christmas cookies? Christmas cookies can give up because in Jamaica I don't really think we do a lot of Christmas cookies like that. We mostly do like Christmas cake and cereal and eggnog, even though I've never had eggnog. Yeah, so Christmas cookies can give up. Would you rather get one amazing holiday gift or 10 okay gifts? I think I'd rather get one amazing holiday gift because I know that I'd like it. Because I mean, if I buy 10 random holiday gifts, I may not even like them, or I may not even use them, you know, they may not be useful. So if they're just okay, it kind of probably will just be like blah. But if it's an amazing gift, one amazing gift, I would definitely rather or prefer that. Would you rather have it be your favorite holiday every day or never have that holiday again? So like Christmas is my favorite holiday, but to have Christmas every day, I feel like that's a little bit overkill. But Christmas night still, you know, I don't know, I just feel like everybody is just in a better mood in Christmas. Everybody just kind of feel like happy and jolly, I don't know. But would I want it to be every day though? Or would I never want to have Christmas again? Guys, I don't know about that. I mean, this one is hard, I'm not gonna lie. Every day is Christmas. I mean, okay, I'm gonna say I would rather that every day be Christmas. Yeah, that'd be fun, right guys? Or am I like ODing? Would you rather lose your voice for the holidays or only be able to speak in lyrics from popular holiday songs? Oh my lord, can you imagine me speaking Miss Mariah? All I want for Christmas is you. I don't want a lot for Christmas because I know say Mariah song All I Want for Christmas is the holiday anthem. Literally, it's Christmas anthem. Like everywhere you're gonna hear it. Lose your voice for the holidays. I can lose my voice, that's fine. But to be talking only in lyrics, no darling. That can't stay. Would you rather have to sing Jingle Bells non-stop for 24 hours or not celebrate Christmas this year? I would be singing that Jingle Bell. And I don't know, hear me say, I already said Christmas is my favorite holiday, and so if I sing Jingle Bells for 24 hours, that's fine. I can sing it. I will sing Jingle Bells Jingle all the way for 24 hours. That's me. But Christmas, I have to keep, girl. Have to. Would you rather star on a popular holiday music single or star in a popular holiday movie? I think single. I think I'd rather star in a holiday music single than a whole movie. And maybe because I can kind of do a little thing with the singing thing, why I say that maybe. Would you rather vacation somewhere cold or hot during the holidays? I would say somewhere cold, you know. I would say somewhere cold. Because you see when you live in Jamaica, you experience only one season, which is summer. Like it's hot all the time. Even though it's Christmas time and yeah, you might get a 1-2 cool breeze and whatever. It is actually really hot. It's really hot. It's still pretty hot here in Jamaica. So I think I'd want to go to somewhere cold just for a difference. I mean, I've experienced snow before. Like I went to New York one time and I experienced snow. And I just feel like it's not bad. Like as long as you have your warm clothes, it's not bad. It's not so bad. It's not bad, right? I don't know if you guys agree. If you live in somewhere that's cold, I don't know if you guys would probably say the opposite, that you guys would want to come to somewhere warm or tropical like Jamaica instead of staying in the cold. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Would you rather have to put up outdoor Christmas lights for all your neighbors or wrap all the holiday presents for extended family members? I would wrap the presents. I'm not very good at it, but I will try my best. But holiday lights outside, climb up on roof and all of that, no miss, not my ministry. Would you rather travel during the holidays or stay home? Oh, that's a tricky one. That's a tricky one. I feel like if I was traveling with my family or, you know, somebody that I like, I feel like I would want to travel. But then if I'm traveling by myself, like would I want to spend Christmas by myself? I think I would say travel. I think I need to just be a little bit more adventurous, and I think I would say I'd want to travel during the holidays. Would you rather eat holiday food or eat only holiday food or watch only holiday movies. Girl, me would eat the food, because guess what? I feel like holiday movies are so corny. Like, I was watching some the other day on Hallmark and I was just like, really, girl? Really? This is me at the TV, literally. Really? Then that makes sense? Then why you do that? So then why you never tell him from the beginning, say you love him? That's me dressing on the TV. So I would take the holiday food. Would you rather have a holiday party every night or no holiday parties to attend? No holiday parties. Like, me can stay home. Me not really big fan of going out. That's really not me. I'm really a big homebody, so I would not mind that. I'm gonna do one more question, you guys. Would you rather have all your presents wrapped terrible or terribly? Would you rather have all your presents wrapped terribly or not have them wrapped at all? Them not have to wrap. Then it don't matter if you drop or not. As long as the present nice, me no mind, girl. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Just Debbie Marie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to leave the Santa Claus emoji in the comments to let me know that you are watching. Check the description box for any of my previous videos. Check out my other channel called Yardments. Remember to subscribe, guys. I see that we are growing and I'm very excited about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.